I have brought this.
Okay.
This is mukene. Do you know how to make it?
No, Tom, you'll show me.
This is mukene.
Okay.
There are very many fish, so we are going to, each one of us is going to eat a lot of fish.
No problem. Tom, where's that thing for, maybe I use Kavera for lighting.
So this is our sugar, but you keep it well when it is scarce.
No problem, Tom, I will.
Should also, this is our portion.
Yes, I know.
I have stocked enough food, enough sauce. This one is called the intura.
Okay.
Eggplant.
It's even matching my dress.
This one you cook it for tomorrow, don't cook it today.
Okay. Yeah. I'll ask the neighbor to show me.
Which country do you come from?
Yeah, I'm English.
English? That's England.
Yeah. England of English and English of England.
Would you have some assets to that side? Like maybe house?
Which assets are you talking about?
Like maybe house, maybe business.
If I had a house, I wouldn't be looking for a house here, Tom.
Maybe have a house in England, you can take me also.
No, sorry, I made a new life here. I left that country.
Okay, so did you come by air or what?
I swam.
You swam?
I swam.
I'm
a good swimmer. Yeah, I swam to the Kenyan coast. Then.
Nyanya. Onaaky'akola ki wano Tom? Akola ki wano? Ogenda kunyinyonyola biki? Ogenda kunyinyonyola biki? Badde baŋŋamba ebintu sibitegeera, simanya Tom, omukazi, simanya biki bikoze bitya, sibitegeera. Okitegeera? Silivia yali azunza olugambo buli wamu. Nga wafuna omukazi omulala.
Kale Silivia node namugambye takugamba.
Lwaki taŋŋamba? Tom, twali bulungi nnyo wali eyo waka. N'ogamba otwala mukyalo wagamba ogenda mutwala wani? Wa mwami ani?
Mwami Kivumbi.
Ogenda mufunira nnyumba. Yena ennyumba gyewamufunira. Yena ennyumba gyewamufunira.
Just discussing some Luganda.
Ate saagala mungeye nja bane nakaziko kano kakubiremu.
Ate nyogabye nti mukazi wange nze njagala.
Kati akola ki wano nnyonnyola?
Kale wampuliriza Keeti wanditegedde pulaani z'emitwalira gy'oli. Ono bamusaba mmotoka gye wali oyagala yiyo tubeereramu tomanya.
Musiru. Ogambye ki?
Kati bwe beera beera bulungi.
Ate mbere bulungi mungatika.
Just come down, you cook the food.
Mama kati yafumba food, mpulira food kati yakufumbira emmere. Wano yakufumbira emmere bulijjo. Ani abadde ng'akuleetera emmere wano n'enjala ekuli? Ani abadde ng'abireeta?
Kati ngenda kunyola.
Ogenda kunyinyonyola biki?
Nina nsonga z'okusajjalo
Kirisa omumwa. Kirisa omumwa. Kyogera nange nga njogera. Kagambe kasirike. Kagambe kasirike. Why is she pointing at me like that?
She's not saying. You're putting on a goma, she's surprised.
Mama, yambadde goma solola. Agereeta goma. Wamugulidde goma mama. Nze Keeti nsiba mukinene sikaati. Nsiba mukinene ngoye. Somusizika ngoye. Nsiba wamugulidde goma kinze gy'otambulira. Yakulema n'okugulira ssenga wange.
Omuyambamu obuyambi.
Mama nyinyonyola mpulira.
Kakati. Tom Ngamba, he was going to look for me a house. He told me, whilst he's looking for the house, I have to stay somewhere. He told me that's how they do it here in Kampala. That because of housing shortage, bichi, I had to spend some time here while he looked for me. So when we reached here, I was confused. I was like, I can't stay here with you, but I was stuck. It was becoming late. I don't know if there's a relationship here, but Tom never told me anything. I've been here some few days just coping up. I've been doing my best, but believe me, sister, I don't want trouble.
Sister, I'm not your sister.
Ketuwuliriza kunnyonnyola.
Tolina naye ky'oŋŋamba. Sina kyentegeddemu okuva we yayogedde okuva byayogedde byonna sina kyentegeddemu.
abadde ngamba biki?
Nekirala. This man is really a humble guy. Don't look at me like that. He took me in when I had nowhere to go. He taught me this way of life. Maybe it wasn't easy to adjust, but I've adjusted and I'm happy. And, you know, he's really a good guy. I think I must be falling in love with him. Love? But the way you talk to him, it's sharp, it's so kind. If you don't... Kate, you love this man.
Okay.
Biki ono byangamba naye sibitegeera nze mpuliramu ekigambo kimu laavu mpuliramu Tom gwoba onjagaza emirembe nyonyonyola naye bulungi omukyalo ono byayogera nja kukuba ne mukazi wo mukubiremu.
Kate, do you love this man? Because the way you talk to him, it's as if you have a problem with him. If you don't, give him to me.
Hangamba biki ono?
If it's money you need, send him a cup. How much do you need?
Hata sente zijiddemu wa mukwano. Madam, sente zijiddemu wa. Sente zijiddemu wa. Mbuchi.
Abadde agamba nti wetaaga sente mmeka then yantwale.
Gwe. Tomu nja kukuba. Nja kukuba.
Togana buyambi.
Nze sina sente zenjagala buyambi ki bwe neetaaga. Bulejjo tubadde tweyagala tubadde nga twetaaga obuyambi.
Tubadde banaku obuyambi butuuse obugoba tunaafiira mu nnaku.
Tomu nze sagala kumanyira, Tomu sagala kunkabya, Tomu nze sagala bintu byakunjangalanya, nze saagala.
Kati nno keetirabayo. Wekwata sente obuyambi butuuse. Ono sponsor.
Sina sente ze ngenda kukwata. Bwe nasalawo nkwagale nakwagala nga bw'oli. Okitegeera tebyalimu bya sente.
Kati Kate gwe Tom nedda. Okitegeera Tom nkwagadde nga tendakyolina. Tom nkwolereza ewa ssenga wange. Tom nkoze buli kimu kikoze ku lulwo. Kati osazeewo olw'okuba kadeeda akagundi akazze waneera akantu akatategeerekeka. Kati otandise okungoba. Otandise okubeera nga tonjagala owulira kati tokyanjagala. Tonkwatako Tom, tonkwatako. Ogenda kusalawo. Kuza n'ono omukyalo ogenda alondako omu. Kwezo bino zigala bigumiikiriza. Londako omu. Genda tontunuulira.
Kati Kate tompadde kyakusalawo. Ono capital. Nangola osomba amazzi. Esita nafuna amazzi. Kano kadaala nno gako bwendya. Kuba otiize kanti sirina kyakukolera. Kwagala nyo naye nange nkooye obwavu. Bino si byakukyawa bino bya mbeera. Nange kinnuma mukwano naye kati ekyokulya n'ekyokuzza eri omuntu.
Kale kulabanga ng'ojja osalinda ebigeregere mu lujja lwa wange. Kale gaza akantu go mweyagale. Tomanyiga. What was that all about?
No. No, what? You're going to cook our sauce.
Yes.
You cook?
Silver what? Where are they?
You cook that?
Oh, yeah, I'm seeing. Right.
You cook that, then you see what you say.
You know, Tom, I was wondering. You still blind in Kampala?
Blind?
Yeah.
No, I don't have.
No, I was just wondering, you know, you need to build, you need to make something more permanent, you need to settle.
You come with some money that you are going to do it and
No, me. I left Europe, I was broke. It's easier to survive here than there. You know, it's cold, being outside.
What have you said? Oh, yeah, you repeat the first statement. What?
It's cold? In Europe, it's cold? Yeah, I mean, sleeping outside is much easier here than there.
Okay, that's good.
Sincerely speaking, I don't have anything. I came here without money. I don't have land. I don't have cars. I'm just looking to you now.
You're looking to me?
I mean, since I've been here, you know, you've provided us with food, shelter. I'm okay, but just looking into the future, you know, children, what we need something. I'm looking to you.
I don't know how to cry.
What does it mean?
Kasiru.
What are you saying, Tom?
You don't have anything.
If I had something, could I be here? Do you think I had money, Tom?
If you have money, you're going to even to help me. I don't put the one my mother's going to let you have nothing.
You wanted to use me, Tom. Because of the color of my skin.
You're not going to get a friend. You're going to you are going to see I'm going to take you. What kind of a person are you? What kind of a person are you?
Are you somebody?
I'm remove my mother's gonna
If I wanted to wear it anyway, it said my clothes were dirty. What's wrong with you?
I'm getting younger.
Give me back my shoes.
What about the quarters and brother?
And my bag?
What have you said?
Give me my bag.
Your bag?
Where's the bag?
The money spent. Is you having some money? Are you thinking Kampala there are things for free? I'll give you to Kate.
You're the one invited me here. I was looking for a house. You're a bad person, Tom.
You go to your
You're
mother.
a bad person.
Kujja buzunga kati kango besonga mukazi kati.